Today we will learn the conjugations of verb karna in present simple. Verb karna is very important because we can make a lot of verbs by adding adjectives and nouns to it. So karna means to do. Karna means to do. As you know, Urdu verbs have na in their end. For example, karna, jana, ana, khana, etc. Uh, in order to conjugate the verb, we remove na from it. Karna, we remove na. When we remove na, we get the root kar. Kar. And we add suffixes to kar uh, to conjugate the verb. So with मैं we add ताऊं to कर. It becomes मैं करता हूँ. मैं करता हूँ means I do. मैं करता हूँ I do. It is this sentence is masculine because a man is talking about himself. मैं करता हूँ. मैं करता हूँ. And if a lady says about herself, she will say, instead of करता हूँ, she will say करती हूँ. मैं करती हूँ means I do. मैं करती हूँ I do. मैं करती हूँ. And in case of हम, we, हम करते हैं. हम करते हैं means we do. हम करते हैं we do. तुम करते हो means you do. तुम करते हो you do. We talk about men when we say तुम करते हो. It means we are talking about a man. तुम करते हो. And we say about a lady or a girl, तुम करती हो. तुम करती हो means you do. तुम करती हो you do. आप करते हैं. आप is a formal word for tum. Tum is informal and आप is formal. As we use in French, tu for tum and vous for आप. Vous for आप. So here आप is for you, for vous. That's आप करते हैं means you do. आप करते हैं you do. But आप करते हैं is used is spoken of men. आप करते हैं means you do. आप करते हैं we talk about a man. आप करते हैं. आप करते हैं. And for ladies we say आप करती हैं you do. आप करती हैं you do. आप करती हैं you do. वो करता है he does. वो करता है he does. We say this about a man, about a boy. वो करता है. वो करता है means he does. And for a girl or for a woman we will say वो करता है means he does, and वो करते हैं means they do, they do. वो करता है he does, and वो करते हैं they do. Both these sentences are said about men. uh, uh, so वो करते हैं, and for ladies and for girls we use वो करती है. वो करती है means she does. वो करती है she does. वो करती हैं they do. वो करती हैं is also used for women. वो करती हैं they do. वो करती हैं they do. So let's see how we can make other words or other verbs out of this verb. Calm. Verb means calm, and if we add calm before karna, it becomes काम करना. काम करना means to work. काम करना means to work. That it's literal meaning of काम करना is to do work. काम करना means to work or to do work. Literal meaning is to do work. So if you want to say मैं काम करता हूँ, means I work. मैं रोज़ काम करता हूँ, I work daily. मैं कभी काम नहीं करता हूँ, I never work. प्यार means love. प्यार करना means to love. The literal meaning is to do love. प्यार करना means to love. वो प्यार करता है, he loves. वो प्यार करती है, she loves. वो प्यार करते हैं, they love. पसंद. पसंद means to like. पसंद करना to like. Means that is literal meaning is to do like. पसंद करना means to like. कौन पसंद करता है means who likes. कौन पसंद करता है who likes. And कौन पसंद करती है is also who likes, but कौन पसंद करता है it is spoken of men, and कौन पसंद करती है it is spoken of women. कौन पसंद करती है. साफ means clean. साफ करना means to clean. That is literal meaning is to do cleaning, to do clean, etc. So साफ करना means to clean. हम मेज साफ करते हैं. We clean the table. हम मेज साफ करते हैं. We clean the table. मेज कौन साफ करता है? Who cleans the table? मेज कौन साफ करता है? Who cleans the table? And if we say कौन मेज साफ करती है? Who cleans the table? But कौन मेज साफ करता है? It means we are asking about men. And कौन मेज साफ करती है means who cleans the table means we are talking about of some lady. नफरत. नफरत means hate. नफरत करना means to do hate. Literal meaning is to do hate. नफरत करना to hate. नफरत करना. मैं नफ़रत नहीं करता हूँ। I don't hate. मैं नफ़रत नहीं करता हूँ। I don't hate. It means a man is spoken of himself. मैं नफ़रत नहीं करता हूँ. And if a lady is speaking of herself, she'll say मैं नफ़रत नहीं करती हूँ. मैं नफ़रत नहीं करती हूँ. Suffer means travel. Suffer means travel. And suffer करना is to travel. Means to do travel. Suffer करना means to travel. वो सफ़र करता है. Means he travels. वो सफ़र करता है. He travels. वो सफ़र करती है. She travels. वो सफ़र करती है. She travels.